to make money in 2022, the business model that you can follow in 2022 for can make money. So if you were looking around the internet for can find out the best business model that you can start when you don't have a lot of money to get started, right now I will tell you what you need. You just jump into the right video, and I will give you all the information that you need so you can get started, learn, and find out all the information and details that you need for can get started, and of course have a growth, start making money, achieve financial freedom, and just change the way this year is coming. The way, of course, that you were living your 2021 is not gonna be the same way you're gonna to be living your 2022. So just stay in this video, take notes, write down everything that I will tell you, so you will be able to find out which one is the best business model for you that will help you to make a lot of money and just change your financial situation forever, and of course, just give you that little financial freedom that you needed for your life in a daily basis. So if that's what you were looking for, and of course you wanted to get to know more, make sure to watch until the end so you have all the information that you need to get started, and of course in this case to jump into this new business model that you cannot miss in 2022. So before we start, don't forget to subscribe to Steve Finance so that you won't miss any. So you will be the first one to be updated every time that I upload a new video. So in this case, the first business model that you have to focus on is basically marketing specialization. In this case, what marketing specialization stands for, what I want to tell you with this is basically that in this case you're going to create an online agency, and let me explain you how you're going to make money out of it, how it's going to change your financial situation and help you to make money. Right now I will tell you everything you need to know so you can learn and just be able to make money out of it, and of course how opening an agency, an online agency of marketing specialization in 2022 can really help you to make money, achieve financial freedom, and just change your financial situation. So let me help you to find out how this can really works. So basically in this case you need to specify into something. You cannot have an agency that is about everything. We're going to specify our agency in something of really specific that of course we can be the best one in. Let's take a short example. Let's say that we are in London, and in this case we are in a really big central city, metropolitan city, and in this case you have a small business. In this case you have a coffee shop where you sell coffee, and of course you help them clients start the day in the best way as possible. In this case, let's face an example. You're struggling, you have no longer clients, you have no sales, you're struggling, nobody wants to come to your coffee shop, and you wanted to find out a solution. You're searching out on internet for an agency that can help you find out the best way to have more clients and reach out to people. Let's say that you face two different agencies. One of course help any type of client and capable to face any kind of business that comes to the door. And let's say that maybe they just help everybody, but they don't really know how to go in deep with specific business. Let's say on the other hand, you have another type of agency that is just specifying their type of clients they of course take just for a specific niche with a specific type of clients where they are more capable to give out the most, where they have more knowledge and know-how, and of course in this case they can help you to use your money in the best way as possible. I think that's the kind of agency that you as a business owner would hire and spend your money on, because you know they're gonna to make you win, have the best result, because they know specifically how to help coffee shop and any business that is related to this field that is of course really close to the clients and the product that they deliver. In this case, you can provide different service, a marketing strategy. This is a kind of service you can provide. Of course, there are many other. You can also provide video and creating ads that of course a business can promote online can promote the service and the product. You can also decide to help them also on the social media. So in this case, if you're good on social media, you can also help them with Facebook page, Instagram page, so that they can promote their product, their coffee shop, and just get you more clients. But we didn't finish only here. There is a lot more to say that we can go of course forward, so make sure to keep watching. There is another one that we cannot miss, and it's basically copywriting, and also a great model that can help you to make money out there. Mostly in this case, as a copywriter, you must be good on writing. And what you will actually have to do dealing with. What is the element is going to make you money is basically by writing article for businesses online. That's what you will have to do. That's what is going to help you to make money. And in this case, you will not have to edit a video. Of course, you're not going to be a video editor, but in this case, you need to help the businesses to sell a product or sell a service that of course they're gonna to put in an email, in a video, in a Facebook page, in a website. You need to write an article that can make the product to be sell. Of course, they can help the product to be sell online. In this case, you're going to work with their emotion. You need to find a way to can of course make that person feel thrilled and excited about the product you are promoting for the business. You're writing an article online, you need to make everybody feel like, if I'm not gonna buy this product right now, I'm gonna miss something. I'm gonna be left out. I cannot miss this opportunity. So in this case, you need to be really good on working with people's psychology and mindset. You need to be able to make people sign the contract, buy the product, buy the subscription. That's the way you're gonna to make money, make people buy. In this case, you need to be able to write a transcription, for example, for an ads, for a promotion that is going to make people say, okay, I want to spend my money, I want to buy this product right now. You need to be able to make people spend their money, buy this product, and of course make people feel, okay, I have done a good decision. Then moving on to the next way that you can make money online, mostly nowadays, is basically in this case by working on specific platform and helping business get to know, and helping business in this case growing their audience. In this case, you're going to basically handle ads for business in specific platform. And I think mostly nowadays you have seen that if a TikTok go viral, it can really help you to just start up a new business. And of course, the more you're capable to make your business known by people, the more clients you're capable to get. In this case, a lot of business don't know how to do this. They don't know how to manage TikTok apps and so on. And in this case, they need you. They need, in this case, they need freelancers that they can contact for managing ads, for manage video that they can promote. In this case, of course, you're going to talk with business. They, of course, want to promote their product. You're going to listen to their idea, what, of course, they're facing in their business, what is the type of product they want to promote, what maybe is a new launch that they have to prepare for. Maybe the thing they're struggling with, the clients they have, the target audience, what is the type of product that they are promoting and their audience. So in this case, you cannot do this in every platform. You need to specify one, like for example, Facebook. Just specify as Facebook, make sure you know everything about Facebook, how Facebook work, so you can help clients in this case to promote their ads on Facebook with posts, videos, and so much more. Or you can do the same on Instagram, on TikTok, but in this case, if you focus just on one platform, you will be able to know how the algorithm work, how the system work, and what kind of hashtag, CEO words, and so much more it needs to be used for a video to get viral. And in this case, by helping business grow with your help, they will know what to do, what is the potential audience they can reach in the future by deciding to have you. And in this case, you just need to know something. Everything right now on the internet moves fast. Also, the algorithm move really fast and change in just a matter of a few seconds or fraction. So for this reason, you need to, of course, to keep up with the new trends and changement that any platform has. Instagram, TikTok, YouTube can have in their algorithm. So of course, make sure to do your research and learn more and more, because the system moves really fast. And that's all. I hope you enjoyed this video, and of course this business model that I gave you that you can start in 2022 without not a lot of money to get started when you don't have a lot of money. And I hope you enjoyed them. Don't forget to thumbs up and subscribe to my channel Steve Finance so that you won't miss any new video that I upload every week.